Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Acadia headlight. First, gather your tools, a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents accidental movement. Next, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that needs attention. Safety is paramount, so take your time with these initial steps. To access the headlight, you'll need to partially remove the front bumper cover. Begin by locating and removing the plastic push pins and bolts that secure it. Gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender, being careful not to damage any clips. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights, before fully moving the bumper. Now, with the bumper cover moved, you can access the headlight assembly. Unscrew the bolts holding it in place. Gently pull the entire assembly out, then disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb or assembly. Install your new headlight, ensuring the electrical connection is secure. Make sure it clicks firmly into place for proper function. With the new headlight installed, it's time to reassemble. Reconnect any electrical components on the bumper cover. Carefully guide the bumper cover back into its original position, ensuring all clips align. Reinstall all the plastic push pins and bolts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.